Greetings everyone, friends. Welcome to our new video. Today we have a new Binance Launchpool. How can we join this Launchpool? We're going to look at that. Does it make sense to join with BNB? Does it make sense to join with FBSD? We'll look at that. Do Binance Launchpools really pay? Or do they inflate? I'll tell you about them. We'll analyze Launchpool performances. And how can we participate in this pre-sale without risk? I'll tell you about it. Let's go to our video now. Friends, I am Monte Contu. I create content about cryptocurrency opportunities for you on YouTube. If you like this kind of content, you can subscribe to my channel. Friends, Ethena Launchpool has been announced. I tweeted a month and a half ago, and I said we're going to do Ethena Labs airdrop. And I put a flag like this. I said it could be listed on Launchpool. It was indeed listed on Launchpool, and it got 47,000 views. So, a lot of you guys have done the airdrop transactions here, and they're going to make good money. I'll tell you that. The airdrop is still going on. 3 days left. I don't know if it's worth it for 3 days. I just threw $1,000 from a different wallet just to see experimentally how much it makes in 3 days. We'll see that too. I paid an Ethereum fee of about $120, and it was neither too early nor too late. So if I had done it earlier in the morning, I would have paid a lower Ethereum fee. Now, such airdrop opportunities will continue. I promise you, if you missed it, don't worry. We will catch many more airdrops to be listed on Binance, friends. You can check them out here. We are especially running after projects that are listed on Binance. Now, what is this Launchpool? Let's look at this first. Binance Launchpool is a pre-sale method, but a different pre-sale method. Because friends, we don't pay money. Normally when participating in a pre-sale, we would pay a little or a lot of money. We don't do anything in this. We come here, for example, we lock dollars. $1,000, we get ENA in return, then we take our $1,000 back and leave, and ENA becomes a total gift, so it's an airdrop. Or we lock BNB, 10 BNBs. Okay, that's airdrop for us. Now, for those who do not have a lot of money, yes, it can earn less. But if you participate even with the smallest amount, friends, there is an event where you can earn $200. A special campaign only for Turks. 200 times 10 will be distributed $2,000 in total. You can also participate in this. I will tell you about this in the later stages of the video. Now, I want to give you an important warning. First of all, in every video, in every Launchpool, the same thing happens. How come? I didn't want to buy ENA from Binance. I bought it from PancakeSwap. I bought it from Uniswap. I bought it from Bybit Wallet. Look, it is not sold anywhere on Webhook. They are scammers. Please don't go to other places. Right now, ENA is only launchable on Binance and is not sold anywhere else. After listing, it will be listed and sold on central exchanges. Friends, please don't go anywhere else. Don't lose your money. Now another question is, it is very confusing here. Should I participate with FTUSD or should I participate with BNB? It is a very easy question. If you have dollars and you are only planning to participate in this event, you should participate with FTUSD. There is no risk. $1,000 equals $1,000 and you get a reward on top of that. But you are planning to participate long term. For example, I have a list. Friends, by the way, montecryptocontu.com has been opened. Friends, you can come to this website and look at this other part of Binance pre-sales. I will put this link in the video description. You can follow the performances. We did an experiment like this. We said what happens if we participate in the long term with BNB, and the performances of this experiment are seen here. Friends, so if you are thinking of joining for a long term, BNB remains a logical option, friends, because this is the 50th Launchpool project. Only the 50th project from Launchpools. This one also has a launchpad. So can it be considered long-term passive income? It definitely can. Binance is BNB. We have to have a Binance account to participate. There's a lot of new viewers. I mean, there are people who don't have a Binance account. I leave a link in the video description. When you are good from there, you can earn $30 from Binance, that is, from our reference link, friends, and when you make a trade, the details are in the form, you can enter our Monte Crypto account analysis group. Here we distribute friends whitelists. We share purchases. This is a very productive group so far. Now friends, let's take a look at how to join. First of all, I will explain how to join with the BNB pool. Then I will explain how to join with the FTST pool. 8 hours later, farming starts. In total, the event lasts 3 days. I clicked on BNB and let's look at our experiment. According to this experiment, we will lock 25,10 BNBs here. I'm coming to staked. I wrote 25,1 BNB. I press staked. Let me explain from the beginning, but I dived right in. Now you come here and press staked for the BNBs you want to staked. For example, right now I have 6 BNBs available. If I want to add one more BNB, if I click staked here, I can stake one more BNB. I have now staked 25 commas and 1 BNB. But let's say I have an emergency and I want to withdraw these BNBs, I can come here and withdraw 3 BNBs. And nothing happens to the rewards that I've earned. So it's a flexible pre-sale method. 240 million ENA total allocated here, guys. And it's gonna last for 3 days. As I just mentioned, I can get my prizes here. I get asked a lot, do I have to come and pick them up every hour? No, you don't. You can take them every 8 hours. You can take them once a day. You can take them once a day. You can take them never. When the event is over, not just like a couple hours later. These rewards and my BNB portion, stake its BNB, will be automatically transferred to my spot account. The same is true for FDST. Now friends, we looked at the BNB part. We will also look at the FDST part. By the way, the video you are watching right now is an award-winning video. A friend who likes our video, subscribes to the channel, and shares the tweet in the fixed comment earns 600 TL from us. Now we understand the BNB part, we are staking here. We can withdraw our stakes here. And from here, friends, we get our rewards. Let's look at the FDST part. For FDST, friends, 60 million ENA is also allocated here. So the reward rate is less here. But this does not mean that you will earn less, because who visits which pool and how much is important. I also press the stake here. Let's stake 1,000 FDSTs here. Friends, I'm also staking here again. In the same way, my rewards will be reflected here every hour. Of course, after Launchpad starts. Now, there are many of you who use mobile, so I will explain how we can use it from mobile. I opened Binance on my mobile screen. Look, I normally add my shortcuts to Launchpad, but for those who haven't, let me show you. I click on more, I scroll down, I go to earn, and there's Launchpad. I click on it, and my direct screen opens again. In the same way, you can come and click on BNB, and you can also say stake or monetize here. Let's say stake it. How much BNB you want to stake here? Just press stake as well. In the same way, for FDST, you can come down and choose FDST. Friends, there is no difference. We learned to participate from both web and mobile. My goal is this. I don't want anyone watching this video to have anything in their mind about Binance Launchpool. I'm a Launchpool guy. I will tell you in a nice way. Socks are a culture. I'm a sock woman. Now, how much does Launchpool earn? These phenomena day and night, Launchpool says. It really pays. By the way, I never got used to this phenomenon name. I'm a YouTuber. Actually, I'm a YouTuber. The ones on Twitter are called influencers. On Instagram, they call them influencers. I don't know why it's such a different realm, but it is. Now I did an experiment, friends. We said that during the ACE Launchpool period, the video is still there. You can go there and look. You can also see the data on our website. If we had bought $5,000, 25 BNBs, and participated in the pre-sales during the ACE period, the important thing for us is the sales ROI. ACE made $173. We went out and bought BNBs with that. 20 Wurgle 5 BNBs, 21 Wurgle 1 BNB, we did the NF prompt, we won $283, we went and bought BNB with that, 21 Wurgle 1 to 22 Wurgle 0. And the process goes on and on and on and on and on. We made $170, $283, $9,604, $212.76. And finally, we made 92. In fact, it's now more than double what we sold it for. That's about $150–200 for those who are selling now ATR because it's gone up a lot. And I have 25 Virgil 10 BNBs right now. Notice I started out with 25 and 5 BNB, and now I have 25 and 10 BNB. I'm trying to cumulatively increase my Launchpool strength so that it turns into a delicious investment in terms of long-term investment. This is an investment strategy. I mean, I don't have $5,000 at work. You can say I have $500. If you had started with $500, I would have $1,500 now. So it doesn't matter. Hoja, I don't have $500. You can say I have $50. $50 would have tripled in the same way. Of course, there is no guarantee. I'm looking at it mathematically. Things look good right now. I think Launchpools and BNB will do well in the long run. Is there a risk now? There is a risk, friends. At most, there is a risk like this. Now you want to join a single Launchpool. You bought $1,000 of BNB. Then you joined the Launchpool. Let's say you made $60 with $1,000 of BNB. Then you exchange the BNBs back. And your $1,000 of BNB could be worth $900. There is such a risk. There is no risk on the FDST side. There is such a risk on the BNB side. How can you tolerate that? You can tolerate it if you hold it for a long term, friends. Now I will bring the FDST version of this on this list because they ask. Hoja, I want to participate with FDST. Thank you. You showed us with BNB. This will be on the FDST screen, my dear friends. Now let me tell you about this prize where you can win $200, $2,000 in total. I'll put the link to this in the video description. Registration is successful. On top of that, you'll join the Launchpool. You don't do much. Then, if you win in a random way, it comes out, friends. By the way, we will distribute 10,000 TL Ethena. Where will we distribute it? We'll distribute it on Twitter. There will be a draw in the evening. follow my Twitter account. Normally, I said this on Twitter this morning. We were going to open the camera, but we are having a problem with the light. That's why I couldn't open the camera today. We plan to open the camera in the coming days. So how? We'll participate. Ethena airdrop. Because it's still going on. Look, it says early access. Now friends, this is how it is. I explained it in the video. I'm MetaMask here. I'm coming in ERCA a little bit. I'm transferring it to USDT. With these USDTs, there are no USDTs left now because I staked them all. I'm taking it to USD. For example, I'm taking it to USD with half, or I bought it with a third. Then I come to the staking part. If you stake USTE, you get SUSTE. You are staking here. Then there are conditions in the liquidity section. Friends, we need to win conditions. I came to Curve. And here, friends, I clicked on USTE, MK, UST. Then it's a little complicated from here. I don't want to make it too long. USTT. I converted their thirds to MKUST. Finally, friends, I added it to the pool. So this is a little complicated for those who don't know. I already explained it in detail on Twitter, so I can't explain it in detail here. We earn LP tokens. Then we convert it into stakes. I bought $1,000. I'm trying it out for you. We'll see, because there are 3 days left until the airdrop. As I said, we've actually been working on this airdrop for 2 months. There are many friends among you. How many of our airdrop you have earned from our airdrop? How many conditions you have earned thanks to this airdrop we share? Friends, I ask you to write as a comment because this is a very important motivation for us. For example, we recently shared the Bybit pre-sale. 2 friends earned $35,000 per person. We are very happy when we see these. Our motivation increases. This is also very important for our data, friends. I hope you also liked MonteCryptoConto.com. Now this is asked a lot. Teacher, I threw my BNBs in Vault. I threw a wallet. Can I participate in this? Yes, look. It says BNB, Vault and locked protocols. They will support Launchpool. So you can evaluate from here, dear friends. Let's answer that question as well. Twitter. Please go to Twitter and look at these savage tweets of mine. Do these airdrops, friends. Earn good money. There may still be things you don't understand about Launchpool. Please write them in the comments. Let's read and answer. Dear friends, I hope to see you in my next video. Goodbye.